Hey y'all, welcome to Unboxing Discovery by G. My name is Gina, and y'all, I did a thing. Okay, I wasn't supposed to get any more subscription boxes. You know, I'm trying to slow down. I went a little crazy last year. It's a new year. I'm trying to stay a little more in my budget, trying to be a little good girl. It's not working so well, y'all. So yeah, I saw that Amazon was doing some, you know, different subscription boxes, and I thought, I'm just gonna see what that's about. And y'all, when it came in, I had no clue what it was. I completely forgot about it, and I was like, what is LiveGlam? I don't know what LiveGlam is. And it occurred to me, I popped it open and I was like, well, let me just peek and see what's in there. And I realized that that's what it was. What this is a monthly subscription of full-size beauty products. You get 3 products. From what my understanding is I thought it was going to be more lipsticks, and that's kind of what I was going for, you know, because I do the whole, you know, lipstick of the day kind of thing on TikTok, and, you know, I post them on some of them. I don't post all of them on YouTube because I do so many other YouTube videos, but, you know, they're somewhere. They're in the cloud, floating above us somewhere. But this says the LiveGlam Club offers a variety of exclusive full-size beauty products for only $19.99 a month. Each collection features an assortment of lip products, including liquid lipsticks, liners, scrubs, balms, etc., with additional brushes and eyeshadow palettes, lashes, and more. All of their products are vegan and cruelty-free, premium quality, and you get a free Lippie with your first order. Free shipping, and you can skip or cancel at any time. So that's what it says on Amazon. I will put a link below if you want to try this. Right now, we're going to see what's inside the box because it's been sitting here for probably weeks since it's been sick. And I just want to know, you know, I just want to know what's inside. Ooh, got a little baggie. Cute little baggie. Card. And I'm assuming this is going to be a palette. Kissmas Confessions, LiveGlam December 2021. So this was December's, and I'm just now getting it. It's January, like 11th today, I think. Hey, Miss Mistletoe. 'Tis the season to level up your makeup looks with this festive lip, smoky eye, and of course, lots of shimmer. I did the shimmer today. Why just deck the halls when you can decorate your gorgeous face with the new and first ever LiveGlam Club collection, Kissmas Confessions. This collection will have you believing in the magic of the season. You know the drill. Make sure to tag us on Instagram with your holiday looks for a chance to be featured on our page. Stay glam and happy holidays. XOXO LiveGlam Beauty Unboxed. So that was the little note they gave us, and then this must be the beauty products. Let's look in here. In my little baggie. And yes, there are 3 in here. So there is the extra Lippie. Oh, y'all, look at the prettiness. Oh my goodness. Oh, they like bedazzled this thing right down to them out. My goodness, look at the pretty colors. Oh. So this Kissmas up to snow good. We won't tell. Bring on the mistletoe with this bold and festive matte Rudolph red Lippie. So that would be this one. Kissmas. Ooh, look at the beautifulness. Oh no, it's like shining everywhere though. Ooh, look at this. Kissmas from LiveGlam. Bling bling, y'all. Bling bling. I love the bling. All right, let me see. Oh my goodness. Are y'all seeing this? All right, I'm going to take off today's lip and I'm going to put this on. So I gave it a minute just to dry down just a little. Wow. I mean, it is drying down pretty dry. But look at how beautiful that is. I just want to see if any of it's going to blot off. So let me just take this tissue. All right, it did have a little transfer, but nowhere near like I thought it would. Look at that. Oh my goodness. I did not expect, y'all. I did not expect that. All you need is a little shimmer in the middle and you're good to go. Oh, I like this. Okay, let's move on to the next one. So this is called Oh Martha. And it says, this year Santa came early and brought back everyone's favorite nude gloss. Get your Grinch on with this fan favorite shade. So, Oh Martha. All right, so it's going to be a nude. Okay. Now let me take the red off and put this one on. Y'all, it took a little muscle to get that one off. So I just wanted to show you nothing on the lips, what my lips still look like after having that bright red on. So now I'm going to try it on. All right, so what do we think of Oh Martha? I think it would look great with a dark liner around the outside. I don't know how I feel about it yet. This is one of these colors I'd have to live with for a little while and see what I thought of. And I do want to let it dry down a bit, so hang on. Okay, so this one is definitely more of a gloss. It is not drying down like the other one was matte formula. This one is more of a gloss. It's staying this way. And if I do blot it, it comes off, y'all. It comes off. So definitely not the drying formula like the other one was. So let's try on the next one, which is Kiss Me by LiveGlam. This is Madrid. Oh my goodness. It's just one of those things. You know you're gonna like it. Ooh, look at, ooh. Okay, let me take this one off and put this one on. Y'all, this is sad to say, but this is more my kind of neutral. A little purpley. I don't know why, but I just prefer it. I like a little bit of color on my lips, even when I'm going for a neutral color. I just think this is beautiful. Ooh. And this one's going to dry down matte too. It's going to look lovely. Just ignore the fact that my lips are hurting. Because, yeah, I've been sick. I don't feel well. But beautiful. Just make sure you do like a lip scrub or something like that before you use these matte formulas, or you're going to see all the texture on your lips like you can see mine, because I didn't do that today. But I didn't know I was trying on mattes either. Let's look and see what this palette is, because I'm just dying to know. All right, here we go. This is the LiveGlam Confessions of a Nudist. That's not me. Okay, this says Confessions of a Nudist. Dear Santa, define nudity with 5 shimmers and 5 mattes. This richly pigmented palette will take your nudes to the next level. Wink, wink. Okay, let's see. Beautiful packaging, and there's your colors. Ooh, look at those, y'all. my goodness. Oh my goodness. Should we swatch a few? You know we got to get our fingers in the shimmers. Let's just do this. Ooh, I don't know that I like the texture of that one. Ooh, but they look pretty. Look at that. Okay. Okay. Let's just do 3 more. Okay. All right, color me surprised. I'm excited to try this palette. This is pretty cool and such a pretty design. Ooh, can y'all see that? All right, so what do you think? Do you think this was worth the $19.99 I paid for it? You know, I did get one of the Lippies for a free sign-on bonus, but then 2 Lippies and the palette, 20 bucks. I love surprises. The only thing about this subscription is you can't tailor it to you at all. It's just a go on there and click, and then they're going to send it to you. There's no telling them your tones or your favorite colors or anything like that, but it is fun. So like I said, let me know what you think. Comment below, like, subscribe, share, all that good stuff. Y'all have a wonderful day, and God bless.